Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublaya pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Kendet kaseng Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP men kakatway tereng ukala lingkon kalali rung ha kamra trekam u director katna Directorate of Printing and Stationery. Haga jingnet jongka FKJGP hagatay bandawa yu ba uday ban mi no nagane ka office halor ka jing kynnoh ba pyndonkam bakla ka pisa kablakot hadu klur tam tingka. Uba regional thaba nong yalam ka FKJGP uyatu ba ka jingrum kan san ki khot ka seng ka deiru hadien ba ka seng kala pha shithi but dawa na umentri rangba ka jila banweng kamno ya uni u director usalgira ar marak hapo shiphosngi. Lada ka jingdawa wengkam ya uni u director ka seng kala shim ya gane ka sinjam banwanbe ya uni u director na gane ka kamra trekam laong uba regional. Kanongrim jonga seng balalam ya ka jing pyndonkam bakla ka pisa hadu klur tingka. Lingba ka RTI balalap daw ba agent star kurkalang yathu uba regional thaba. Na kaliang u director katna Directorate of Printing and Stationery ulakam bakaritang ka jing kynnoh kabialam bakla bar kabakwa ban pentho bria ya Usal gira ar marang ulaong baha ka jing treya kakam omla ban kiar na ka jing pelut pinsep bar ka inquiry committee kadai ban syong tokit ya kani kakam menta kasngi henrei na kadaw ka jing bomla akyar kumtala ha ban pinken ria no sha ka way pat kasngi.
I don't want to create any controversy. Like I'm not authorized also to give any statement on behalf of the government. But since this is personally attacking on me, I think I have got every right to defend myself. So I'm trying to defend myself in the inquiry committee. Today was the date actually for the hearing. Then for some reason actually it could have happened today, so they have postponed it. But so then this is inquiry is happening. But first hearing could not be done actually.
So but they have asked you to.
And I'm telling you, since the attack is personally on me, that I have misappropriated, I have done corruption and all. I am telling you, nothing as such. Nothing as such. There may be some lapses in the working in the office. See, sometimes you may have to, ignore the rules. Ignore the rules in a sense. Sometimes maybe you cannot wait for, so regarding this purchase and all, you cannot wait for the this purchase board or something like that. Then we order, on emergency and all certain things are there. So they are saying that this thing also very irregular. So I have favored somebody and all. Those things are there.
So what we really want to do is they have asked you to leave the office immediately. So what is your response to it?
They asked you to cooperate.
I cannot leave. See, I can cooperate on other things, but then asking me to leave, I cannot just leave like that. See, I'll have to inform my authority. If my authority says yes, you leave, then it's okay. I have informed. I have informed.